Welcome to Great Data. In this video we'll be demonstrating our Census Pro data for zip codes. It's based on the 2010 census demographics, so it has the latest information. And we keep track of a lot of information. Here's some of the following information we have. For every zip code we include the city, state, county information, the zip code type. There's a code, some will be for P.O. boxes only, some military, etc. Latitude, longitude for the center of that zip code, the total land and water area for that zip code, total population both in 2010 and in 2000, so you can see if it's grown or shrunk, population density, which is population per square mile, the lots of age brackets, you'll see those in up just a bit, races, households, families. There's a lot of information there. With the Census Pro extraction tool, you get to do a lot of things which we'll be demonstrating. You can select only the data you need, you can combine multiple fields, you can filter things, you can export it different ways. It's a very powerful tool. So let's go to our website and we'll start the demo. Here's a view of our web page. On here it describes the product in depth, and there's more detail on this tab here. And then when you click on the Sample Data tab, it'll give you the ability to download a copy of all the fields of information that we have into one data file, just about 50 or so sample records. But you can also click on a link and go into our Census Pro Extractor tool, and that's what we'll be demonstrating next. Here's a view of our census data extraction tool. You can choose individually fields as you like by just double-clicking on it. We always recommend that you start out with the ZITCA, which is also the census term for the zip code, primary city and state information. But you can pick and choose what you like, and if you choose a field, you can also move it up or down by using these arrows, whichever way you prefer. But I'd like to demonstrate a great feature that, as far as we know, we're the only ones who provide this, where you can combine fields. For instance, you may want to have children from ages 0 to 19, let's say. But the way the census does things is they break everything down, sometimes too far. So here you'd have to pick out all the male fields and of that age group and then all the females. But watch, we'll show you a nice trick. Now we're going to demonstrate a unique feature to Great Data, where you can combine multiple census demographic fields into one field. It's a great trick, and here's how you do it. Let's say we want all the children, so we click on males, and then we can hold down Shift to select more than one field, or we can hold down Control and just individually select multiple fields. And rather than just clicking on this right button to copy them to the right side and having 8 individual fields, we'll go and click on the summary field, type in children, click apply, and it'll create its own children custom file or field for you. Double click on that, it pops it over to the right side. And if you notice, there's multiple ways to export the file, multiple delimiters. You can choose what you like. You can choose individual or multiple states. There's a lot of options here. You can choose to view a sample. It'll show you the sample. You can also download it. Very powerful tool, and we believe that you'll be very pleased with this. That way you only have to pick and choose what you want and not have to filter through a lot of fields to try to get at the data you want. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about our products, please feel free to give us a call or contact us by email. Our information is on our website, greatdata.com. We've been working literally thousands of hours for the last 20 years, improving our data constantly. We believe that you'll appreciate the Great Data difference.